DogDad91 from LinkedIn asks, my laptop takes forever to boot up and feels sluggish all day. Well, that kind of goes back to the previous question that we had about taking a look at seeing how full your hard drive is. Take a look at the hard drive and see if you're full, as we talked about a little bit earlier. The other thing to take a look at is look at all the applications that are running on your computer. So if you're on if you're on Windows, open up Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and open up Task Manager. Click on Performance, and then look at which one shows the highest pegging one. Is it the hard drive that's pegging out at 100%? Is it the RAM that's pegging out at 100%? Or is it memory pegging out at 100%? Those will tell you where things are starting to bottleneck for you on your computer. The other thing I would suggest is take a look at how many tabs you may have open in your browser. Each tab is another instance of the browser. So every time that you have a window open in the background, it's taking up resources, whether you are using it or not. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.